Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the CVS haul for the week of August 1st to August 7th. Thank you for joining me once again, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I was able to pick up 29 items for only 13 cents each, or $3.77 for the whole product. And if you stay till the end, I'll be showing you on how to pick up some free sanitizer wipes, hand sanitizer, and all-purpose cleaner. So with that being said, let's get into this haul. My first transaction is on the hair care. I'm doing this together because I have a 3 off of 18 hair care CRT that I need to use. So the Pantene is included in the spend $40 get $10 back. And this week L'Oreal Elvive is buy 2 get $3 back, and it's 2 for $8. Everyone received the 3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive coupon in their CVS app. That's glitching with the printable coupon from coupons.com. I use both. And for the Pantene, I have 3 off of 12 Pantene because this is 3 for 12. So I also have a $3 off any 3 nail or hair care. With the 3 off of 18, it took off $15. I paid only $5 out of pocket, and I got back $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and it ended up being $2.09. And remember, the Pantene is also tracking towards the spend $40 get $10 back. This week you can track it. You don't have to make your purchases the same time. You can purchase them separately depending on your coupons or your CRT, and it will still track. It will know when you get to 40. So let's get into the next deal. I don't have my extra care box because I only started today with $10 extra care box, so I keep on rolling it over. So let's get to the next transaction. Let me zoom in so that you can see how the whole CRTs and the coupon worked out. The first 2 is for the paper coupons from coupon.com and also for the Pantene. The next one is the glitch one from the app, and you can see the 3 off of 18 and the 3 off of 3 nail or hair. And I paid only $5 plus tax and got back the $3. On this transaction, I finished up the spend $40 get $10 back. Remember, I already picked up the 3 Pantene. So on this one, I picked up the big Tide detergent for $11.94, the big bag of Tide Pod for $11.94, the little bag for $4.94, and also the Gain Fling for $4.94. And that completes my spend $40 get $10 back. But I added some other stuff to this transaction because I have a CRT of 8 off of 40 CVS purchase. So I added the Revlon tool because I have a CRT 5 off any Revlon tool, and this the emery board is $4.29, but it will adjust down to $4.29, the $5 CRT I have. And I also got the Palmolive. This week is 99 cents, but they gave us a 25 cents CRT, so that will make it 79 cents. I got a $3 off 6 Hallmark products, so I picked up 6 bags. Make sure you're always reaching the threshold, that way your CRT will go through. So I picked up 3 bags for $6 bags for $2.98, and everything came up to $41. I think it was $41 some change. And I paid only, let me see, I used $13.15 extra care box, and I paid $3.35 out of pocket. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see how all my CRTs and my coupons applied. As you can see, the $2 is for the Tide Pod, the little one. Then the $3 is for the big detergent. The next 3 is for the big bag of Tide Pod, and the $2 is for the Gain Flings. You can see the 8 off of 40, the 5 off of any Revlon, it adjusted down to $4.29, and also this Hallmark adjusted down to $2.94. The 25 cents you're seeing is for the Palmolive. I used $13.15, and I paid only $3.35. All these coupons I use for the Tide and the Gain and the Tide Pods, I got them from everydaypng.com. Sign up with your email and print them. And one thing to remember when you're printing it, it expires within 24 hours. So make sure that you're printing it when you know you're ready to go use them. And after I got my $10 back, everything came up to $6.50, and those are 12 items. That's 54 cents each if you want to divide it like that, but that's a really good deal for 12 items. On my next transaction, I did the oral care. This week for the toothbrush and the toothpaste and the mouthwash too is buy two get $5 back, but the toothbrush and the mouthwash are the same deal, so it's a limit of 2. I marked that. The toothpaste I only picked up 2 because that's what I can work with. The 4 off of 2 wasn't attaching to any Colgate for me, so this was supposed to be a big money maker for me, but it ended up being 24 cents each for each product. So I printed 75 cents from Colgate.com. If you receive Smart Source, you can also find 50 cents in there, and we also have 50 cents in our CVS app. I didn't use that. I used the 75 cents because that's of higher value. So I used $10 extra care box, and I also paid $6.37 out of pocket. I got back $10 for the both transaction, for the mouthwash and for the toothbrush. They came together, and the toothpaste gave me $5 back. So after $15 extra care box I got back, everything ended up being $1.44, making it 24 cents each, and those are that's 6 products. So I think 25 cents for a toothpaste or toothbrush or even mouthwash is a good deal. So the extra care box I got, I rolled it over to the next transaction. So let's go check that out. But before we go, I would like to zoom in and show you my receipt. Now you can see my receipt. You can see all the 75 cents coupons I used. The one I got from Colgate.com, and I only used 5 off of 25 or Colgate CRT, and the $10.07 extra care box I used, and that's the $6.37 I paid out of pocket, and I got $15 back. And I rolled the extra care box to my next transaction. On my next transaction, I did the makeup deal. I did the CoverGirl is buy 2 get $6 back. The NYX is also buy 2 get $6 back, and the Maybelline is buy 2 get $5 back. For the Maybelline, we have a good Ibotta rebate. It gives back $2 for each product. And also I combine them because I have some CRTs I need to. I have a 4 off of 12 for the CoverGirl. That's the mystery coupon I got this week. And I also have a 3 off of 16 makeup CRT. So that's why I did the 3 together. That way I can reach both threshold. So the CoverGirl, the clean product is $8.99. I have an app coupon for $3 off. And for the eyeliner, I also have a $1.50 app coupon. I think everything is from last week. And I have the 4 off of 12 mystery coupon that everybody was supposed to receive this week, but it will differ from each account. So for the NYX, I have a 2 off of any NYX product from last week, and I received another 2 off of any NYX this week. And each lip liner is $4.39. For the Maybelline, the eye pencil is $6.59, and the blush is also $6.59. I have a $2 app coupon for the blush and $1.50 app coupon for the eyeliner. So I'm going to zoom in now so you can see how the coupons applied. You can see how the whole coupon applied. The first one is for the Maybelline, the second one is for the CoverGirl, and also the next one is for the Maybelline. And you can see the 4 off of 12 CoverGirl, and the 3 off of 16 cosmetics, and the 3 off of any NYX, sorry, the 2 off of any NYX product from last week, and the next one is from this week. I used $15.13 extra care box, paid $5.61 out of pocket, and I also will be receiving $4 from Ibotta for the Maybelline, and also $3 beauty reward after 48 hours. So that will make this whole transaction $3.26 money maker. I try to not purchase that much makeups anymore, unless it's going to be a money maker. That way it will help me with the rest of the haul. So let's get to the next transaction. Thank you for still sticking around till the final one. This is the bonus clip. I picked up the coffee and the sweet and low with my extra card that don't get CRTs. I have some extra bucks that are about to expire. So with that card, I just do whatever I want with it. Anytime I see a good deal that I can work with, I do it with the card. So I picked up the coffee. It was $5.99 and the sweet and low is $2.99. It's not giving back any extra care buck, and I'm also not, I don't have any CRT, any coffee CRT for that. So the extra bonus is on the sanitizer wipe and the hand sanitizer and the all-purpose cleaner. If you have Abasense, Vons or Safeway where you live, you can download their app. On their app, you can also clip a coupon for free sanitizer wipe, hand sanitizer and the spray. The sanitizer wipe and the hand sanitizer is $4 each. You get 4 for free, and the wipes is 1 per account. So that's the bonus tip I wanted to give you guys. I hope you have that so you can grab yours. If you're not using it, you can always give it out to somebody, because I think I'll be donating mine too. So thank you all for sticking out with me and going through this haul with me. I hope you all have a good haul. If you have a good CRT that you did some good deals that you would like to share, so that other people watching this video might, if they have the same CRT, they might read it and go and do it. And if I see one that I missed that I might like, or I have the CRT, I will sure be going to CVS again to do the deal. Thank you all for watching this video and supporting me every week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and see you all next week. Have a good week. Bye bye.